Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download balance sheet from the Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can see the stocks of the companies on your home screen, just like this. Now choose one of these that you are interested in, just like this. Now to download the balance sheet, scroll down and here you will find the option of financials. Now open it. Then again scroll down. Here you will find the view more option once again. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, here there is the balance sheet option right here. Now tap on it. Now here you can find all of the information about the balance sheet on the stock of the company like this. Now here is the thing, you cannot download the balance sheet directly because there is no any built-in feature to download it. But here is a simple trick that you can simply screenshot the balance sheet just like this. After that you can simply save it on your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can download the balance sheet from Yahoo Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.